Interview. Learn how to adapt your hiring practices to be inclusive.
To assist you through the process of hiring a supported employee, here are some tips and strategies to create an inclusive experience for your candidates with disabilities. As a hiring manager, you can adapt your usual hiring practices to be more inclusive by being flexible in the application and interview process. Let's start with examining the typical ways someone would apply for a job at your company. Ask yourself this: in what ways would this process eliminate or limit a qualified candidate's access to apply? Some answers may be: the website is not user-friendly, the application only provides for written response, labeling is unclear, or instructional videos are not captioned. Then ask yourself, what can I do to make our hiring process more appealing and inclusive for all who want to apply?
We can work together to make the best first impression and lead off the experience going in the right direction. Take your time preparing candidates for the role you are hiring, reviewing resumes, and providing the appropriate interview to the candidates that you are interested in. Here are some strategies. Consider creating a short informational video offering a tour of the workplace while briefly describing the position for which you are hiring. Allow the job coach to attend an informational tour of the workplace to determine if the position is a good fit for the candidate before applying.
Accept different types of resumes and applications. If a candidate's strength is in demonstrating their skills versus writing, allow them to submit a video resume. A candidate may have relevant experience that is not traditionally captured on applications. Portfolio resumes illustrate someone's strengths and capabilities and how the candidate can best support your team. Here's an example of a portfolio resume. Portfolio resumes typically feature more photos than a traditional resume, and you'll see skills demonstrated and more of their personality come through.
Offer your candidate a working interview, traditional interview, or hybrid of the two. Being flexible is an easy yet impactful way to show your candidates you have a welcoming and inclusive company.
It is a best practice to ask candidates if there is a need for adjustments or accommodations during the application or interview process. Examples would include accessing your building, sign language interpretation, completing application materials, or support during the interview, such as the use of a job coach. Not only will you get to see the person performing the tasks of the job, but also the candidate will be able to make an informed decision if the position is the right fit for them. Prepare your candidate so they know what to expect regardless of what type of interview you are conducting. Provide interview questions ahead of time. Austin, can you share what information is helpful to provide to a support employee who is preparing for a working interview?
What to wear, where to meet, and who will meet them at the location. How long will the working interview last? Will they be working around other team members or independently? Describe the working conditions.
For those who are working with a job coach, the employer should be prepared to welcome the coach into the interview as an accommodation or adjustment.
Now that you have widened the door of opportunities and met your new supported employee, let's discuss the onboarding process. Onward!
Learn more at aka.ms/supported employment or email supportedemployment@microsoft.com.